How to activate Crunchyroll on any of the devices. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through the steps if you would like to activate your Crunchyroll account on your device as well. So let's just get started. So what you may do first of all is head over to crunchyroll.com and log in into your account. And on your home screen, you can find all of the new shows available. Now, if you would like to activate Crunchyroll on your device, you may locate up your profile, usually in the top right corner. Click on it, drop it down, and here you will be finding your profile. Now from here, you need to locate up settings and open it up, open up your settings. And once you open up your settings, you will be finding different options within your settings. Now from here, you may locate up active device option here. If you have that option, you can look out for that option right here and look out for activate device, or you can look out for this option right here called device management. After you are there, you may just go ahead and look at this option called click activate device, click on it, and there you may just go ahead and add in the device that you would like to activate on your TV screen, and you just need to go ahead and enter it up. Once it is entered, you can look out for activate option, and that way you can activate your device on Crunchyroll. So this is the method you can follow up in order to do so. It is pretty quick and easy. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.